It was the height of the drug war.
What about my library card?
As you know, I cut my teeth in the Miami field office of the CIA.
Wait, Miami? I thought you were talking about Colombia. Miami is not Colombia.
I know that! Don't you think I know that? There's a place between here and Colombia called Miami.
Here comes the drop.
Looks like they're trolling for some blowfish.
Cargo is on board. We'll monitor the delivery and then...
Fly in on a jet ski!
Smith! This isn't our mission!
Save your mission for the nuns, 'cause I'm a stone-cold sinner.
Screw it! Let's nail these creeps!
We got it! C.I. Yes!
Don't leave me this way. Baby, my heart is full of love and desire for you.
We did the job with style, but never lost sight of the mission.
That was all you today, Smith. I love your passion, man. I love it, and I love it, and I love your fashion.
It's like I say, man, I like doing good and looking even better. And we never did the drugs.
While we no doubt kicked ass yesterday, the objective was to track the smugglers into Miami and figure out their distribution process, not launch a surprise jet ski attack.
I wasn't surprised.
Bullseye! Settle down, boys. Now, this is a map of downtown Miami.
Sorry, I don't settle down. I get down. We know where El Narco is, and by now he knows we mean business. I say we waltz into his compound, and I'll straight up tell El Narco, no blow north of Mexico.
Woo! Yes! I guess Smith's action movie ideas haven't gotten us killed yet, right? Let's do it!
And so I was on my way to Colombia to confront El Narco. I would need a translator. But more than that, I would need some extra pleated baby blue slacks to slide over my extra bikini-cut Calvin Klein underwears. Because when you look good, you find good translators.